Okay, so let's move to our experiment number 3, which is usually a multiplexer, data selector, and we will implement a 2:1 multiplexer using basic gates. So just to recall, what is a multiplexer? Multiplexer is a data selector, okay, and the control part is this selection line. Okay, when selection line is 0, the data coming from this zeroth pin will come, y will equivalent to the I naught, and when s equals to 1, then y equals to I1. So the data coming from this pin will be there. Okay, so this is the working model. Okay, this is the truth table. When selection line is 0, so whatever input, this one is I naught, this one is I naught, this one is I naught, and this one is I1. So whenever selection line is 0, it will select the data of I naught. So the output will be I naught. Whenever it is 0, this will be 0, and this will be 1, this will be 1. And when selection line is 1, the data that is available on pin 1 will be available to Y output. So that is 1 and 1. So output will be 1 and 1. So how we can make? We require two AND gates, one inverter and one OR gate. So we will use, because y equals to what? S bar I naught plus s into I1. This is the output of multiplexer. Okay, so we can implement by using AND gate, OR gate and inverter. So let's move to the Tinkercad to implement this circuit. Okay, this is the Tinkercad part. So let's rename this circuit. This is multiplexer, 2:1 multiplexer. So what first thing we require is breadboard. Let's start with our 840 pin breadboard. Just drag and drop here. Now it is available. Let me zoom out. Next thing required is power supply. Second thing is power supply. Okay. So power supply, this is the power supply. Let's connect this red to this plus line, and this ground to the negative line. Okay, let's this follow our standard. Let's make it black, and this one should be red. Now connect this red part to another side. This one is positive. Okay, so make it positive, make it red, maintain the standard, and this should be black. Now we require ICs, logic ICs, and OR and inverter, and OR and inverter. Let's come to the logic part. We require AND gate, we require OR gate, and we require inverter gate. Let's apply this power supply to all the ICs first. This power should be positive, make it red. This should also be positive. Pin number 14 of all the ICs, so this should be also positive. Right, now pin number 7, this all the pin number 7 of all these ICs should be grounded. So make it black, connect it to the ground, black, and this should be black. Now we need switches. SPST switch. Now connect the lower section to the ground. We will utilize pin number 1 and 2 as I0, I1, and this pin number 4 as a selection line. Okay, the switch 4 will be as a selection line. Make it black because all these pins are grounded. Now we need resistors. We need 3 resistors. First should be connected on pin 1 and positive power supply. Pin 1 and positive power supply. Second one is connected at pin number 2 and positive power supply. And third one is to be connected at pin number 4 and positive power supply in between that. Okay. So we have made all the connections. Now we will apply input. Okay. So what we require is, this is the circuit, I0 S bar, okay, and I1 S. Okay, so selection line will be directly applied to the second input and inverted input applied to the first I0. So this should be our I0 line. I0 should be inverted first, so we will invert this and we will apply this I0 bar. So this one is the input, this one will be the output. So this will generate I0 bar. I0 bar, we will connect it to the AND gate. Okay. So we will follow our standard. We will make it orange and this wire should be orange. Okay. Now this will generate I0 bar here. I0 bar multiple and with S1. Okay. Sorry, we should connect S bar. Okay, so we will connect the selection line, inverted part of selection line to the input. This will generate S bar. Okay, make it purple. Okay. This line should be, selection line will be purple color. Okay, so this one is S1 S, or this line is the second pin will generate S bar. Okay, so S bar has been applied on the first AND gate. First AND gate, and so first AND gate will be connected with I0. Okay, so we will drag this line from I0. This first line will be our I0, second line will be I1, and this should be our selection line. So make it orange. Make it orange. So third will be the output. So this will generate I1, I0, S bar. Okay. Now we will utilize second AND gate. Okay. Second AND gate for I1 into S. So it will directly connected with I1, which will be the second switch I1, and this should be connected at fourth pin because fourth pin will be the second AND gate. Okay, I1 and S will be directly connected to its second input. Okay, so make it blue. because standard we are following is green should be the output. Okay, so green should be output. So let's make it blue. Okay, this one is blue, and this should be, make it violet, purple, because we are following this purple color. So now this output, second gate output and first gate output should be OR. Okay, so we will connect them to the OR gate so that final output can be generated at pin number 3 of 7432. Okay, this should be, so this will give you the output. Okay, so let's connect multimeters. Multimeters, you can see the connection once more. Here we have connected the I0. This one is I0, that is connected to the, okay, S bar. This one will be S bar inverted and then connected to the AND gate, multiple AND with I0, and then S and with I1. Okay, so the output of both AND gates will be connected to OR gate. Now pin 3 will give you Y. So let's connect all the multimeters. We require 4 multimeters, 2 for I0 and I1, one is for selection line and one is for output. So connect all the negative to the ground. So all the negative connection has been connected to the ground, and all this positive, this should be I0, this should be I1. Okay, make it red, make it orange. Second line should be blue so that we can discriminate between them. Blue. Okay, and third one is for the selection line, and this should be connected to the any of this fourth pin. Okay, and this should be purple. Okay. Now this output pin connected to the ground first, and this red one is to be connected to pin number 3rd of the IC7432. Okay, so let's run our simulation. Okay, you can make them black, follow our standard black, all the grounded. Okay, this is not connected to the ground. Let's connect it to the ground first. This should be black. Okay, and this is output. Let's start our simulation. Okay, so first make this selection line is 0 0. Let's switch off this. All the data is 0 0. I0 is 0 and I1 is 0. Let's change. I0 is 0 and I1 is 1, and the selection line is 1. So I1 data has been selected, so the output is 1. Now change the selection line. I want to select this, or this should be displayed at output. So I will change the selection line by switch off. Now the data that is coming to the I naught will be appear at Y at output. You can see. Okay. Now make it switch on this and switch off this. Now I naught is 1 and I1 is 0. I naught is 1 and I1 is 0. And selection line is 0. Okay. So the I naught should be selected and hence the output is I naught, that is 1. 5 4 is considered to be 1. So this is the working of the multiplexer circuit. Okay, we can design 2:1 multiplexer by using NOT and OR gate. So let's stop our simulation here.